In this Unity tutorial I will show you how to add audio to any Unity game. For example, in this case I will show you how to add it when I collect this coin. So let's start. In this basic Unity scene I have a player which can walk around, I have a few walls, I have a main camera, and I have this coin, which has a coin script. All this coin script does is that on trigger enter, if it collides with the player, it destroys itself. That's all it is. But we want to add audio when we hit this coin. So what we could do is play the audio from in here, but the problem is that we destroy the game object right here, so the audio will never play. So instead we'll make an audio manager to handle all of the audio, which is a much better way to do it. So we'll right click in the hierarchy, click on create empty and call it audio manager. Then we'll create a C# script called audio manager. Open that up. In here we'll make a public static audio manager called instance. This will make it very easy to access. Then in the awake function we'll do instance equals this. We'll then do a public void play sfx. In here we need to input an audio clip, call it audio clip, comma, also the volume. So I'll do float volume equals 1, so we don't have to input it. Then what we'll do is actually create an IEnumerator. So we'll do IEnumerator play sfx, and I'll call it coroutine. In here I'll also input the audio clip and the float volume. Now in the play sfx we'll start the coroutine like so, with the brackets in here too, and we'll input the audio clip and the volume like so. In here we'll do audio source equals GameObject.add component audio source. So here we add an audio source to the audio manager. Then we'll do audio source.clip equals audio clip. Then we'll also do audio source.volume equals volume. And lastly we'll do audio source.play. Then we have to wait before we destroy the audio source again. So we'll do yield return new, wait for seconds. And we'll input audio source.clip.length, so the length of the audio clip, and then we'll destroy the audio source. So we'll do destroy audio source like so. So we basically add an audio source to the game object, then we play the clip, and then we destroy the audio source again. Now we can go back to the coin, and right before we destroy the game object we can simply do audio manager.instance.play sfx. And then we need the audio clip, so we can add it up here. We can add a public audio clip called coin audio clip or whatever you want. And I can input it right here, and I'll just set the volume to 1. Now let's go back into Unity. In Unity I have imported this SFX point sound effect from Flappy Bird. It sounds like this. So let's click on the coin and drag this onto the clip, and also go to the audio manager and add the audio manager script. Now let's click play. When I hit it, the audio plays. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. I will answer them all. And yeah, have an amazing day.